Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert BONK coin to USDT on Binance application. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To convert the BONK coin, all you have to do is open up your Binance application. You can go to your assets at the bottom right, and here tap on this spot option. Here, find here your BONK coin. So for example, here on search, I'm just going to go ahead and write on BONK. Here it is, we want to choose it. And from here you will see there is a balance and trading. So, the trading would be BONK USDT. If you click on the first one here, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can go ahead and click on Sell option. Now write down the amount of BONK you want to go ahead and sell, and then click on Sell BONK, and then you will have your USDT. Another way would be to click at the top left corner, that is Convert option. And this will open up. So now you want to switch to USDT from, and you want to search for bank here, choose it. Just like so. Now you enter the amount which you want to go ahead and convert. As you can see, there's some minimum amount, and for example, I want to convert 600, and then you will see your USDT how much you will get, and just preview the conversion, and basically sell it for USDT. So that's basically how you can convert BONK coin to USDT on Binance application. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.